Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in Code.org and this is one of the projects we made. Random game. So it's actually a sport game and it's have a lot of random except the speed and the player speed and the ball speed. Now let's see how. Ooh, there's a hockey stick. Hockey stick. Ball! Each kind of background have a different kind of goal. Like this one, and some of them are small, some of them are big. So like this football field is a very easy one, and the soccer because they're both big. Now let's see how it works. So when you press run, that means you start it. Throw new ball, so it will have a new ball. There will be a ball, so you can play. Then set player to a hockey stick. You can choose others. Then set fast player speed. So your player speed will be fast, so you can move it fast. And the ball speed is fast too. So when you start, you're the same speed. Set random scene, so you don't know what kind of scene, but you can choose. I did random, but you can't do random players, so I like the hockey stick, so I choose the hockey stick. Then set random ball, so there is other too. Eventually, there is actually a baseball. You can make a baseball game, a football game, a hockey game, or a soccer game. Or you can make a random game. Then when right arrow pressed, then it will move right. When left arrow pressed, then it will move left. When ball hits player, so when it touches your player, which is the hand, hockey stick, or foot, it will play bounce sound. First, it will bounce the ball so you won't earn any points or miss. Then set random scene. So when the ball touches you, it will set random scene. Then it will set player speed too fast, which is the same. Then set ball speed to very fast.
So it's like a little challenging.
Yeah. When left arrow, it will move left. When ball hits the wall, it will bounce ball because it's a wall. You can't go through the wall.
Yeah, but because if you didn't have that code, the ball will go out of the screen on your first bounce.
It will be very terrible. When ball is in the goal, which is over here, or the other scenes have different kind of goals, it will score points. So we add 1 point to you. You will score. It's set random scene, so it will change another scene.
They'll throw a new ball.
Yeah, before it set another random scene. Then random ball, it could be when I played, it was the whole hockey thing. There was a hockey ball and a hockey scene and a hockey stick. It's always a hockey stick. So then set player speed fast and set ball speed fast. So it's just like when run, but not when the ball touch you, the hockey stick. When ball misses player, so when it goes score opponent point. Oh no, the opponent got a point because you missed it. Throw new ball, so there won't be no more balls, so there will be one more ball, so you can keep playing. Then set random scene, set random ball, and set fast player speed and fast ball speed. So it's just like when ball and goal, but it will score opponent's point. Now let's play.
So Kalisa will play first. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard or the
arrow keys over here.
Yeah.
So this is mobile friendly tool. So you can use it on a phone, a computer, or an iPad.
That one's visual.
No! It got me. The CPU will do nothing to earn 2 points. Whoa! It depends on me to score. The CPU's points are mine. It's catching up. Oh no. 2 more points. Oh, please score. The ball will score a point when it touches the goal of the backgrounds.
One more point.
No, don't let it get 1 more point. No! Oh, I almost got 1 more point. Luckily, I got it. It's still bouncing back. No! Oh, I got it. It's still bouncing back. 2 points. 2 points. When I get to 8, it's Andrew's turn.
1 point again.
No, you won't. You won't, computer. 1 more point until it catches up to me, and 1 more point until I win. I win! It's Andrew's turn. Oops.
I can't catch. You need them.
You need to predict where it will come. Bounce. Bounce. Wait.
Oh no.
Bounce.
Oh no.
Missed.
Oh no.
Bounce, bounce. Score 1 point.
Oh.
Wee. There's a lot of different scenes and stuff.
Leah's last turn.
Yeah. Too fast. Got it. No, it's bouncing back. Computer always gets points. Nope. You won't. You won't, computer. You won't. No. Computer, you won't over me. Computer gets 5 points by doing nothing.
Whoever gets 7 points, game over. 7 points. The computer got 7 points.
Computer, you did nothing to win.
Well, that was fun,
and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.